you survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
Our first exercise will be mountain hops. This exercise requires you to be all fours like a push-up position on the floor. Then, take a mini hop forward till your knees are close to your chest. Try to maintain a consistent hopping movement till the duration is over. Let's start off strong.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
For the next exercise, stand at about shoulder width apart and turn to your left to imagine picking up a heavy medicine ball, raise it above your head while turning to your right and slamming imaginary ball as hard as you can on the ground. Now repeat by picking up an imaginary ball from the right and this time slamming it to your left. It's just that simple.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
This exercise would involve both your legs at a staggered position, one in the front and the other behind. Then you're going to switch the position of the front foot and the back foot by taking a mini jump. You can place your hand on your waist for greater stability too.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there.
Now let's get down on the ground and be in a half sit-up position. You should feel your abdominals being flexed in this half sit-up position. Next, you're going to twist to the left and strike your hand right to the left, then twist to the right and strike your left hand to the right. This exercise will work your entire core and obliques.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Our second last exercise is called touchdowns. Have you ever seen a rugby player's workout? Well, this is similar to a rugby workout as it requires you to rotate to one side and touch the ground and then come back up to rotate to the other side and touch the ground as well. Make sure to keep your core tight during the exercise.
Ten seconds left. Last exercise.
Finally, our last exercise. You are definitely capable of finishing off strong. For this exercise, stand upright and hop while kicking one foot forward at a time. It's as if you're brushing the dust on the floor forward. As you get the hang of it, you can try performing the kicking quicker and even using your arms to swing to maximize the effort required for this exercise.
Ten seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect for now.